Hello and namaste, beautiful yogis. How are you all? Today's practice is based on anger management. Maybe you're angry today, maybe somebody disrespected you, maybe somebody hurt you. Just that feeling of frustration, anger, we all get it. Let's begin the practice. Sit in any comfortable seated posture. Sit in Sukhasana, great posture to begin with, cross-legged posture. Simple Sukhasana. Keep your palms over the knees. Turn your palms upwards. When you turn your palms up, you're inviting in all the positive energy from the universe. You can keep your eyes closed. If you're still too agitated, keep your eyes open. Do as you please. This is the place where you can do whatever you want. Deep breath in and exhale. You can make a ha sound if you want. One more time, inhale and exhale. And one more deep breath. Letting all that anger, all those emotions out. I know, easier said than done. Let's try. From there, interlock your fingers, pointing the index finger up. So thumbs are crossed, fingers are interlocked, index finger is pointing up. This is the Ganesh Mudra. Bring your palms in Ganesh Mudra and raise them up. Lengthening the spine, just opening your heart, trying to melt that anger away. Maybe it was your boss. You didn't like what he or she said. It's all right, let it go. Inhale and exhale. Maybe it was your spouse, your child, whatever it is, just let it go. Boyfriends, girlfriends, could be anyone. And release the arms out. Just showing you from the side. This time we take the arms behind, still in Ganesha Mudra, pointing the index fingers back. Extend your elbows, right? You're here. Extend the elbows. If your arms are coming apart, it's all right. You can be here. You're still pointing. You're still trying your best to stay in the same mudra. Extend and roll your shoulders back. You can point your fingers down, dig them down into the floor. Lift your chest up, heart up. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Whoever it is that you're angry on, just take them out of your thoughts. And release. Feel the sensation in your arms, in your fingers. If you're experiencing pins and needles like I am, you can just make gentle fists and release, right? Just closing and opening your fingers. That should release the tension from your fingers. From there, moving into child's pose. So taking my legs behind, taking your legs behind. Feet back, knees wide open because we want gentle child's pose. Push your hip back, relax, melt into the floor. If your forehead is not reaching down, please don't get frustrated. Bring the palms one over the other, make a pillow, stay here. You can stack up your fists if you need to stay higher. Whatever it is that you need. Bring it on your mat. This is your space. You might feel, why do I feel anger? I've been practicing yoga. But we are human, it's human nature. And this is life. So we all experience anger. We all feel angry. And we all have to deal with it. Deep breaths. If you're still feeling angry, you can grunt here. Ah! Maybe not. Alright. Stay a little longer, activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Letting go of the fight or flight syndrome. Inhale and exhale with a ha sound. Feel that anger melt away, moving away from you. Visualize it going away from you. And release the posture, come up. Gentle movements. This is your space, you can be gentle with yourself. Sitting up on your heels one more time. Come up onto your knees. Tuck your toes in, take your palms behind, fingers pointing towards the sides or pointing up. Again, be gentle with yourself and bringing the elbows closer, tucking the toes in, pushing the hip forward, lift the chest up. Keep looking in front. If you feel you might feel dizzy when you look back, stay here, breathe. Go as far as your body allows you. If you can, drop your head behind. You can keep your eyes closed. If you find it difficult, keep your eyes open. If you feel comfortable, take your arms behind, onto your heels. If you feel more comfortable, point your toes back if you can. Just opening your heart up towards the sky. Let all the love come in. Let all the anger disperse into the universe. Let it go away from you. And very gently coming out, lifting the head up, bringing the palms on the waist. One more time, sitting down, allowing your body to relax after that heart opener. You can come down into child's pose. Relax a little bit. Just avoiding to feel dizzy. Prepare to lift up into downward facing dog. So palms separate, shoulder width apart. Roll your elbows, inner eye of the elbows towards the front. So your elbows are pointing down, not towards the side, right? Rotating the elbows inwards, tucking my toes in, lifting the knees off the floor into downward dog. Stay gentle. Be gentle with yourself. World may not be kind. You can be kind with yourself. Lengthen one leg at a time if you feel like. If not, just stay here with knees bent. Just pushing your stomach into the thighs, chest towards the knees. Deep breath in, exhale with a ha sound. One more time, inhale. One more big exhalation coming up. Come down, bring your knees down. And sit down, extending your legs in front. Prepare to lie down to our favorite butterfly pose, reclining butterfly pose. Soles of the feet together, knees towards the sides. And take support of your elbows. Gently lie down on the floor, on the mat. You can bring your feet closer if you feel like, if you feel you want them to be away. Do as you please. This is your space, the safe space, experiencing that feeling of calm. Right palm on the belly, left palm on the chest. Experience your breath. Inhale love, exhale the anger. Try to come back to a calm state of mind. That is your natural state of mind. Let the anger be left behind on the mat. As you inhale, feel yourself filling up with the feeling of love. And as you exhale, letting go of all that anger, all the frustration, everything that is disturbing your mental state. Use your palms to bring your knees together. Bring your knees towards the chest, keeping them open towards the sides. Hold the feet from outside and let the feet face towards the ceiling, moving into happy baby pose. We're going to try to laugh here. I'm holding it from inside because you might rock. Now that you feel a lot more lighter, you're going to try to laugh. Since it's happy baby pose, you're going to rock and laugh. I know it sounds very silly, but you're going to try again. And maybe eventually you'll laugh naturally. If for nothing else, if you're just watching this video, you can laugh at how silly am I looking at the moment. I'm thinking of that and laughing. And coming to center. Inviting all that laughter in, feeling happy just as a baby. And gently releasing, bringing the knees together. Give yourself a hug. Hug yourself. And release into Savasana. Final posture. Still feel there is still slight anger, frustration inside you. Don't worry, you'll get it all out. Feel all that anger, make a fist. So when you're making a fist, see that your thumb is over your fingers, right? Make a fist, tighten the fist so that you're punching somebody maybe. All right, imagine that you have to punch, but don't punch. Okay, and tighten everything, tighten your legs, tighten your glutes, tighten your arms, tighten your shoulders, tighten your facial expressions, tighten, feel that last ounce of anger and let it go, release. Turning up the corners of your mouth, gentle smile, coming back to your natural state. Keep breathing deeply. Feel free to stay here, just experiencing this, if not happy, a non-angry feeling. And bending your knees one at a time. Rolling over to the right side, taking support with your left palm. Thumb up. I hope you feel a lot calmer than you were at the beginning of the practice. I hope your anger has gone away, if not completely, at least to some extent. You can practice longer if you want to. You can repeat certain postures. And if you're still feeling a little bit frustrated, maybe do a little bit of boogie dance. All right, I'm being really silly. But let me know in comments below, how do you feel about this practice? Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you and namaste.